Okay everyone, let's go ahead and get right into our tutorial. You will need your two outer fabric, and you should already have your interfacing iron on. We are going to be marking the two corners. Cut yourself out a cardstock paper that measure 2.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. And we're going to be laying this in the corner, and then you're going to trace that out. And you're going to do the same thing for the lining. Once you're finished tracing the corners, your fabric, we're going to cut those out. Let's go ahead and put these two aside and work with the lining. And we're going to put these two together. Both of the fabrics, right side touching each other. You're going to lay that on top of there. Pin that in place. In the corner here, 12 centimeter gap. And we're going to go to the machine. So all the way down, stopping right there, all the way across, stopping right there, coming up, stopping right at that line that we mark, leaving that 12 centimeter gap, and then continue at this line here, sewing all the way up here. You now have it sewn and a gap. We're gonna work with our handles. Two out of piece of fabric, you're gonna get those two. Folding this in half, iron that out. Then you open it up, then you're gonna fold it one more time at that center line. You're gonna fold that one more time. You're gonna fold it one more time. And then iron that out, and then you should have something that looks like that. And pin it down, and we're gonna go to the machine and we're gonna sew one corner, and then you're gonna sew the other side as well for both of these. Let's put that aside and get our two outer fabric. We're gonna be folding that in half and marking the center. Mark it from the center all the way over. You're gonna measure 4.5 centimeters. On the other side as well, from the center all the way over to left, you're gonna mark that 4.5 centimeters as well. And you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Take your two handles right on at the center with the 4.5 centimeters that we marked. We're gonna let it sit right there, and then you're going to pin that in place. And then you're gonna take that and then you're gonna fold that over on the other 4.5 centimeter line. This is the center. I know it's kind of hard to see it on this fabric. And this is the other 4.5 centimeters. You're gonna place it right there and pin that in place. Repeat the same thing for the other as well. You're gonna go to the machine and you're gonna sew right there, right there, right there, and right there. You should now have your handles sewn in there, both of them. Go ahead and lay these two on top of each other, right side, touching each other, lined up with your handles, making sure they line up. And pin that in place. Once you finish pinning everything in place, we're gonna go to machine and we're gonna sew all the way down here. Stop right there, come across here, straight over. Stop right there, go all the way up, and stop right there. Okay, you should now have it sewn all the way around. So let's go ahead and put these corners together. Make sure it lines up. And you're gonna pin that down, and then you're gonna do the same thing for this corner as well, and then do the same thing for the lining as well. Okay, once you finish pinning everything down, you're gonna go to machine and sew straight across here, there, and there. Now have all of the corners sewn. turn this over, and then we're gonna leave this just like that, and we're gonna put this inside of here. Make sure your handles are inside as well, and you're gonna get these two, match these two together. Just pin that in place. You get the other corner the same. Okay, and then you can pin the rest of them in place. We're gonna go to machine, and we're gonna sew all the way around. You should now have it sewn all the way around. So let's go ahead and flip this. That hole that we kept open, we're gonna pull that through. You have to close up this gap right here. Before we close it up, this is a good time if you wanna put your tag. This is optional. This is how this one looks here. So just in case you wanna flip it over, reverse it on the other side, it's in the inside and it's gonna look like that. And this is the inside of this one here. And so if you want that, you can have it. It's not necessary, it's optional. So we're gonna be putting a tag right in the gap that we have right here. Lay your tag in there. It's gonna sit out just like that. Okay, and you're gonna sew straight across there to close that gap. Now have that sewn in there. I'm gonna tuck this back in there, and you're gonna go to machine and you're gonna sew all the way around. You should now have it sewn all the way around. If you're interested in placing a button on there, you're gonna find a center. Just make sure these two are touching each other in the corner first. Find a center. I like to fold it over, and then just press it down and mark that, and drop it down about 2 centimeters. Let me double check to make sure. Yep, about 2 centimeters down, and then place your button right there. If you want a button, let me take this out so you can see the other side of this. This is how it looks with the button, just in case you want the button on there. That's if you want a button, but you can do it without it. Your preference, your choice. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.